In a positive step forward for India's renewable energy push, THDC India Limited, a subsidiary of NTPC, has successfully commissioned an 11 megawatt AC floating solar plant on the raw water reservoir of the Khurja Super Thermal Power Plant. The plant achieved commercial operation date effective July 17, 2026. Shri B. Sairam, Chairman of Coal India Limited, along with Shri Sanoj Kumar Jha, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Coal, Government of India, represented India at the prestigious US-India Roundtable on US coal export and coal technology opportunities held in Washington, D.C. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi today, on Saturday, extended his best wishes to Skyroot Aerospace at the maiden orbital launch of Vikram 1, India's first privately developed launch vehicle, calling it a historic milestone in the nation's space journey. The Prime Minister said the launch of Vikram 1 marks the opening of a new frontier for India's space ambitions and reflects the country's growing strength in innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. CMD BCCL Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal met CMD SAIL Dr. Ashok Kumar Panda in New Delhi to hold productive discussions on 16 July on strengthening collaboration between the two CPSEs. The partnership program has been inclined towards the progressive and affirmative approach for the supply and delivery of core industrial sectors, coal and steel, in fueling the secondary sectors of the country. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited Chairman and Managing Director Commandant P.R. Hari, Indian Navy retired, addressed the inaugural session of the 13th CII Manufacturing Conclave East 2026, held at ITC Royal Bengal, Kolkata, on the 18th of July 2026. NBCC India Limited has taken a significant step towards streamlining its corporate structure with the proposed merger of its wholly owned subsidiary, HSCC India Limited. The Board of Directors of NBCC had approved the scheme of arrangement for merger of HSCC with NBCC and their respective shareholders and creditors on July 14, 2026. The appointed date for the merger is April 1, 2026. NMDC Limited has discovered a 13.16 carat natural rough diamond at its diamond mining project in Panna, Madhya Pradesh. The company said it is the largest gem quality diamond recovered since mining operations resumed in March 2024. The latest discovery surpasses the previous biggest gem quality diamond of 10.04 carats, marking a significant achievement for India's only organized and mechanized diamond mine. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced that India aims to achieve 3 lakh crore rupees in defence production and 50,000 crore rupees in defence exports by 2029 as the country continues to strengthen its indigenous defence manufacturing under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited has achieved a major milestone in its education-focused CSR initiative. Under Project Mumbai Super 50, all 33 students who prepared for NEET 2026 have successfully cleared the medical entrance examination. The students were part of HPCL Super 50 program, which supports underprivileged SC/ST students. Tata Power Company Limited has received a letter of award from the Solar Energy Corporation of India for providing energy storage services from a 324 megawatt/2592 megawatt hours pumped storage plant. The project will be executed under a 40-year agreement and is expected to generate an annual fixed revenue of approximately 351.3 crore rupees.